Discreetly situated behind a beautiful temple but roadside on the very popular Eat Street of the Seminyak area of southern Bali. This restaurant and bar has been conceptualized and lovingly put together by the formidable Morrocan and Belgian team of Zohra and Blaise. An impressive wooden and natural hewn stone air-conditioned yet high-ceilinged open space. Guests immediately feel welcomed upon entering and reminded of a New York loft space with a distinct industrial feel. This is a very metro meets retro feel. However, the interior furnishings are warm and accommodating, and pay homage to many antiques and artifacts sourced from around the Indonesian archipelago, most being from the couple's personal collection. The upstairs bar provides a space that Hemingway would be proud of, and the spacious restaurant area reminiscent of the chic Orient Express railway dining carriage. Bistro is original, quirky, delicious and very fairytale adult. For sure, the discerning decor along with the charming team of staff will make sure you completely feel at home. Be welcome to the amazing world that is Bistro and allow yourself to forget the fast modern world outside, to be at peace in a bygone era of elegant sensuality.